Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will see how to fix the can't connect to App Store issue on a MacBook. So first of all, from the bottom menu, click on System Settings. Once the Settings panel opens, from the left side, open the General section. Inside the section, find and click on Date and Time. Here, make sure the option Set Time and Date Automatically is turned on. Sometimes incorrect date and time settings can prevent your MacBook from connecting to the App Store properly. If the issue is still there, let's check the DNS settings. From the left side, find and open the Network section. Next, you need to open Wi-Fi. Here, select your current internet connection and click on Details. A new pop-up will appear, from where find and open the DNS section. Now, on the right side, click on the plus icon and it will allow you to add a new DNS address. Type this Google DNS address here. This DNS servers can sometimes bypass connection problems and help the App Store connect properly. Once done, click on OK or save the changes. If the issue is not solved, let's refresh the App Store account. Open the App Store on your MacBook. Once the App Store is open, from the top menu bar, click on Store and a drop-down menu will open. Here, select the very last option, which is Sign Out. After signing out, restart your MacBook and log back in with your Apple ID, and that's it. This is how you can fix the can't connect to App Store issue on a MacBook. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more such videos, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.